In this video, let's talk about how to use the Bank of America mortgage app feature. Welcome back everyone to this new tutorial video. Now, this is a quite simple process. All you want to do is once you're inside of the Bank of America application, you can simply tap on your mortgage or home loan account that you should be able to view within the dashboard. So make sure you select the correct mortgage account that you're trying to pay for, and then simply head over to the transfer and send section, pay now section that you should be able to see within. Now, once you're inside of that, you can first of all select your funding source, which is one of your checking account that is linked, or any sort of external accounts that you might have linked. Once you've done that, you can select your payment type. Either you want to make it a regular payment, the principal only payment, so depending upon what you're trying to do, and then simply add in the payment amount and then simply schedule the date. Either you can pay it straight away or you can also schedule a date. So this is the exact process that you can follow in order to use the Bank of America mortgage app feature. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.